Hi everyone, this is Mack and welcome to my home gym. So I thought I'd just show you about. It's the weekend now and my gym that I go to, it closes at like 7 p.m. So it's just after 7 p.m. now. I haven't had my work in for a day. So that's one of the reasons why I like to have a home gym. Obviously lockdown as well. When lockdown come, couldn't get in any gyms. I thought that's never going to happen again. So I've converted my garage here, as you can see, into a gym. So I just thought I'll show you about what I've got. We've got a radio, which I haven't switched on yet, and running machine. Proper one that you get in the gym, really good. We've got some Bowflex dumbbells right there. One of them is bust, so I'm going to get another dumbbell rack and I'm going to place it around about here. That way I won't need them. Paid about £500 for them as well, and I'm sick. This one doesn't turn round, so I'm going to be selling them off. That one works perfectly, that one doesn't. We've got we have got, mine's gone blank there. We have got bench for the dumbbells. That's just for the dumbbells, and obviously I'm going to have the new dumbbells there eventually. And then Century Bob, give him a smash about from time to time, let out a bit of frustration. Then we've got here lat pull down. You'd be surprised at how much weight I can put on that. I know it doesn't look much, but when we've got the Olympic weights on there, it's not too bad. Oh, let's come off. That's a bit of a shame. I don't know how that's happened. I'll get another bit of glue on there. Then we've got a leg extension. Then we've got a leg machine, as you can see. Olympic weights, stand for the Olympic weights, another bench for the Olympic weight area. This here you can do squats on and what have you. Put it high, put it low. That's set up nicely to do my shoulders now as well. Perfect for the shoulders, so I'll be just sitting on there, up and down with the shoulders. Vanity mirrors all around. Bin for the water bottles. And I got these on Amazon. So many we've got there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in total. It was about £30. And I'll just show you them. Just shows you how to do exercises and stuff. That's the medicine ball. I don't have a medicine ball yet, but I'll be getting one. Stretchers. So I've done a video earlier on today about lower back pain and how important it is to do stretching to get rid of the pain in your lower back. I'm looking at the stretchers here. And the stretching that I showed you to do. Ah, that's it. That's the one. There, I showed you how to do that to get rid of the lower back pain. So, just goes to show you, stretches are very important, and this is quite good, this right here. So, you know, you might want to take a screenshot of it or get it yourself and do these stretches, actually do them. Because, you know, you will get injuries if you don't do stretching, especially if you go to the gym quite a lot, like I am now. So yeah, that's a good little poster for the stretching. Resistance bands there. I do have some resistance bands. What else have we got? Falling over things. We've got a foam roller. I do have one of these, actually, but I don't use it much. But I don't know if it's beneficial or how beneficial it is. Maybe someone can tell me in the comments if it is, what's it good for, and is it worthwhile even doing. I know stretching's worthwhile doing, obviously, but foam roller, I don't know about that one. But I have got one in the house, actually. I haven't used it much, obviously. Yoga poses. I don't know how beneficial this would be. Is this just another form of stretching? I've never done any yoga, I must say. Suspension workouts. So this is just like, you know, using your own body weight, I think, and hanging off things and what have you. But you'd obviously need something to hang off, you know. So you'd have to probably be in a proper gym or something, or have something that you can hang off to do that with. Muscle groups. With me getting in this industry, it's going to be handy for me to know all the muscle groups. I mean, I know the majority of them, but there's a few that I probably need to polish up on. I'm going to put another little bit of glue on that. Body weight workouts, so just using your body only. Pull-ups, push-ups, all that good stuff. Sit-ups, as you can see. So yeah, we'll be taking a close look at all these. I've got my little yoga mat there. I'll be laying that out because it is a bit dirty in here, you know, on the floor. So we'll be getting some of that done. What else have we got? A little set of dumbbells there, just 10 kgs, perfect for like shoulder exercises. You know, when you're doing rear, what's it called? Lateral raises. You know, so you get your dumbbells, and that's a really good exercise for your shoulders. Exercise ball. Now these are quite big, so I'm not going to probably get one of these because it'll take too much space up in here. But there's that. Kettlebell exercises. I don't have a kettlebell, but I will be getting a few for in here, just popping them down there maybe. Dumbbells, and then the barbell, which is conveniently placed next to the barbell. So, there we go. Oh, sorry, we've got a bike as well. That's more for my girlfriend. I don't like the bike, but it's there for my girlfriend. If she doesn't start coming in here and making use of it, I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to just either leave that space blank, or that's going to be a perfect place for my dumbbells. So, there you go, guys. A little look in my gym. Things are going good, feeling good. I'm on top of things. I'm eating right. I'm going to be eating better, even better pretty soon. Going to try like the carnivore diet and whatever, which is on the cards. And then we'll be showing you how to cook things, what I'm eating, how to cook it, building the site. It's all coming, and we are doing good. But yeah, this is just a little gym of my own that I sometimes take advantage of when I can't get in my gym, because my gym isn't 24 hours a day. Maybe I should join one that is 24 hours a day. It would be better for me. But I really like the gym that I'm going to. It's got a nice pool and what have you, and I like to have a swim afterwards to keep my muscles all moving, because you know, important to stretch, and swimming does help you, you know, keep stretching out, and it's extra exercise as well. Plus we've got a nice sauna, steam room, jacuzzi, all that jazz. So that's why I don't really want to move away from my gym. But I am considering getting 2 gyms. I know it's 2 memberships, but at least if I go to a 24-hour gym and then have my gym that I go to now, I'll have the opportunity to go in late as and when I want. But then again, you know, I've got this place here, so maybe not. But there we go. Little update, show you around my gym. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'm hoping one day that I'll have a much better home gym than this. You know, hopefully I can move into a much bigger, nicer house. That's my dream than what I've got at the minute. And then, yeah, we'll have like all of the top equipment. Because this is just some, like, I'm not going to say rubbish that I've bought off the marketplace on Facebook, but as you can see, it's not top quality stuff, but it costs quite a bit of money still, you know. But this is out of an old gym. This is just out of an old gym, you know, all of the Olympic weights. They're not the best Olympic weights, you know, just a couple of £100 I paid for them. This is out of an old gym, just all old gym stuff really. But it'll do for now. It'll do for now until we get where we want to be. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.